Hi. The pages that I'm going to show you right now are typically pages that we provide for learners to have access to free downloadable worksheets and resources. Continuously, as the year progresses, we keep on adding more of these questions. So you can actually, for all intents and purposes, print it and use it as a practical worksheet, practical exercise. The memorandums of those questions, however, are part of our video library. And the design of these pages are such that you can actually order individual videos if you want to. There's a whole payment package that we've got in the pages that you will be able to access, you'll be able to view them. However, in this whole lockdown of the coronavirus, what we've decided to do is to take all of those videos and make them available for free. And this video will explain to you how to bypass all the payment options and just simply go directly to the free video, what the process is that you need to follow in order to access those videos. So just bear with me, I'll be with you in a second on the relevant pages. Okay, so you will have landed on the webpage talkingtextbook.co.za, and you've chosen your grade and you've chosen your language, and then you'll end up at a page that looks like this with all the various questions. Now the first thing that you can do is to download the PDF. Then you've got a hard copy, you can print it. You've got a hard copy and you can take a pen and paper and you can actually do the question on paper. If you are not familiar with the technology, you can always click on the preview button on the right hand side. There's like a 20-second preview demo of the specific question. But then if you want to see the video itself, or you want to mark your attempt, after you've done it, you want to mark and see if you're right, you can just click on the play button. But before we get there, just bear in mind that all the buy nows and packages and all those buttons are still active, but you don't need to worry about them. You just simply click on the play button, then you will be taken through to a page that looks like that, where you can then just simply click on enroll me, and there you've got the video.